Hello everybody, my name is Red A and welcome to Let's Play Untitled Sandbox game. Now, it's a game that I absolutely love. And so yeah, we're gonna be playing it. Ooh, alright, this is so much fun. Yeah, I'm gonna dance on it. Yeah, this is a Fortnite dance. I don't play Fortnite, but maybe I should, I don't know. Hey, come back! Oh my god. Okay. So egg. I want egg. Give me egg. Oh my god. What the heck is this? Is this mechanical stuff right here? Wait, what if I press this button? Oh, it just says bands kick. How original. Okay, now time to continue playing the game like a regular person and all. What's this? Someone wants to kick out somebody for ruining the hamster ride? That reason is just stupid.